How many times have you run into a business challenge and tried to solve it, but you get stuck? Either the team gets overwhelmed by the potential number of technology solutions out there, or they picked a vendor and have a hard time through the implementation. Or worse, they have implemented a technology solution, but users do not adopt it or it didn't solve the business problem. They did not realize that technology is only one part of the equation, and for solving the business problems, people and processes are critical too. The main reasons for these failed digital solution implementations are the lack of alignment, direction, and planning. Life is too short for another failed digital solution project. Step back, identify the problem, and create a plan for a successful resolution. A digital solution project plan helps reduce this complexity and gives you a practical way to plan all three aspects of a digital solution to make sure the business problem is solved and you get a positive return on your technology investments. Having a digital solution project plan is not that difficult. Digital Maturity Group has developed a very efficient process for small and mid-sized business owners in mind, called the Digital Transformation Discovery Workshop. This is a proven process with 4 high-quality consulting sessions using a purpose-built software delivered by a certified digital advisor. The first outcome of the planning is a vision statement that is a clear definition of the purpose, description, and measurable results of the project. That helps to get conversation among the team, get clarity on what is the end goal, and helps in defining requirements for any potential digital solution. The second outcome of the planning is a timeline plan that breaks down the complexity of a digital solution project into manageable pieces, milestones, steps, and identifies the accountable individuals. That helps to see clearly who is going to do what by when. As these projects are usually complex initiatives with technology, people, managers, users, and vendors involved, the team needs a process that will keep them aligned during the project. The final component is the execution plan. That is a blueprint how to make the project successful, achieve the objectives, and drive a positive return on the technology investment. If you would like to join organizations that have plans for their digital solution implementations, let's start laying the foundations. Schedule a business improvement review meeting with your advisor and start your journey.